welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we dive into Abuja's high-end real estate market, I have a quick recommendation for you. If you want to learn how to build wealth from property without owning a single brick, check out the book Real Estate Goldmine: How to Build Wealth from Property Without Owning One Brick Yet by Destiny Obekwe. I've added the affiliate link in the description. It's a must read for anyone interested in property investment. Today, we are diving into the real estate market in Nigeria, focusing on Abuja's high-end properties in areas like Maitama, Jabi, and Wuse Zones 1 and 2. Abuja's property market is very diverse. You can find everything from luxury 3-bedroom apartments to 1-bedroom flats or 2-bedroom self-contained units. There's truly something for everyone, no matter your taste or budget. So why are rents and property prices so high? Many clients ask this question. Part of the reason is Nigeria's current economic situation. Inflation, currency fluctuations, and the rising cost of building materials make it necessary for landlords to increase rents and property prices. While it may feel expensive as a tenant, these adjustments are essential to maintain the value of the property or land. But it's not just the economy. The location and amenities are affecting pricing. Properties in Jabi, for example, are near Jabi Lake, shopping areas, and recreational spots. Maitama offers serene streets, embassies, and top schools, while Wuse Zones 1 and 2 are commercial hubs, perfect for business and convenience. High-end properties often come with added amenities that increase value and comfort. Some of these include solar power systems, gated security and 24/7 surveillance, private gyms and pools, modern interior designs and finishes. These features not only make living enjoyable but also justify higher rates and rents and purchase prices. The Abuja property market is extremely diverse. You can find 1-bedroom flats for singles or couples, a 2-bedroom self-contained unit, 3-bedroom luxury apartments for families. No matter what your preference is, Abuja has something to meet your needs. However, affordable options are becoming rare, especially in premium neighborhoods. What does the future hold for Abuja's real estate market? It's hard to predict exactly, but one trend is clear: affordable properties will become even rarer. Landlords and landowners are starting to realize that the quality of a property must match its price tag. Some properties currently on the market are overpriced relative to their condition, but overall, the market is adjusting to ensure value for both buyers and renters. So if you are renting, buying, or investing in Abuja real estate market, here are some things to keep in mind. Location and proximity to amenities, parks, schools, commercial hubs. Amenities offered: security, solar power, pools, gyms, and also the property quality. Ensure the price matches the house condition. Understanding these factors will help you make smarter, more informed decisions. And again, if you want to make money from real estate without owning property, check out Real Estate Goldmine: How to Build Wealth from Property Without Owning One Brick. I've included the affiliate link in the description below. It's a fantastic resource for anyone serious about building wealth in Nigeria's real estate market. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.